Today, I'm going to address one of the most emotionally charged aspects of perimenopause, which is weight gain. Before I continue, if you're watching this channel and not yet subscribed, I request you to please hit that subscribe button and bell icon to receive more and more healing videos from my channel. All right, now jumping into the topic. If you have been eating the same way you always have been, you have been exercising the same way, or probably you're doing even more exercises and the weight is still creeping on, especially around the midsection, right? You know how frustrating it can be. You know how confusing and even heartbreaking this can be, right? You might be thinking, what's wrong with me? Why won't my body cooperate? I feel like I'm losing control. I hate how I look. Why this is so hard for me? First, I want you to know this is not your fault. This is your body's biology. Perimenopause changes your metabolism, redistributes fat, and makes weight loss significantly harder. But here's the catch: fighting your body, hating your body, and punishing your body with harsh diets and excessive exercise, all this would actually make it worse. Because stress creates cortisol creates belly fat, and self hatred creates stress. So, today we are going to use EFT tapping to release the emotional resistance and shame around your changing body and to calm your stress response, which in turn would lower your stress hormone, which is cortisol. It would help in opening your space for your body to find its natural balance. All right, this is not about giving up on health. No. This is about approaching your body with love instead of war. So get comfortable. We are going to tap together for about 8-9 minutes. Give yourself this gift. Let's begin. We'll start with the karate chop point. The fleshy part here, the side of your hand, is your karate chop point. You can follow along with me and repeat the statement, whatever I'm saying, as you're tapping here. Okay? This is called setup statement. You can say it out loud or in your mind. Even though I have gained this perimenopause weight and I feel so frustrated and disappointed with my body, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though, keep tapping. I hate the way my body looks right now, and I feel like I've lost control of my own body. I choose to honor what my body is going through, and I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Keep tapping. Even though I've tried everything and nothing is working, and I'm exhausted from fighting this. I acknowledge that my body is doing its best to protect me during this transition, and I deeply and completely love and accept myself exactly as I am right now. Now stop tapping. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Now let's move to the tapping sequence. I'll be tapping along the eyebrow point, side of the eye, below the nose, in the chin point, collarbones, under the arm, and top of the head. Follow the sequence. We are going to tap through the points while acknowledging what we really are feeling. And it's important to be honest first. So you can follow along with me as you're tapping in the points I'm showing on the video, right? This perimenopause weight gain. This is the eyebrow point. This perimenopause weight gain. Side of the eye. I hate it so much. Below the eye. My clothes don't fit me anymore. Below your nose. I don't recognize myself. Chin. I have tried everything. Nothing works anymore. Tap both collarbone. My body won't cooperate. Under the arm. I feel so out of control. Top of the head. All this shame about my body. Breathe. I know this is hard for you, but you're allowed to feel this. Let's continue. Everyone says, just eat less, exercise more. Eyebrow point, but I'm eating less. Side of the eye, I'm exercising very regularly, in fact more. Under the eye, and I'm still gaining weight. Under the nose, what's wrong with me now? Chin, why can't I control this? Collarbone, all this frustration and disappointment. Under the arm, I just want to feel like myself again. Top of the head, this weight is destroying my confidence. Now relax your hand. Take a deep breath once before we continue again. Good. Now let's continue. I want you to stick around till the end of the video for getting full benefit of this healing round. Okay. Now we are going to tap with little more understanding of why your body is behaving the way it's behaving. Okay. Now let's explore that together. Okay. Eyebrow point. What if my body is not broken? Side of the eye. What if this weight gain is protecting me in some way, probably which I'm not understanding? Below the eye. I know my hormones are changing. Below the nose. My metabolism is adjusting. Chin. This is biology. I understand. Probably it's not failure. Collarbone. My body is trying to protect me. Under the arm. Probably fat is being redistributed, maybe for a reason. Top of the head. My body has wisdom I might not understand. What if I stopped fighting and started listening to my body? Keep breathing. Do you feel that shift? Let's go a little deeper. Eyebrow point. All the stress I've been carrying about my weight gain, side of the eye, that stress creates cortisol. Below the eye, cortisol creates more belly fat. Under the nose, I have been creating vicious cycle. Chin, what if I could release this stress? Collarbone, what if I could work with my body instead of against it? Under the arm, what if I can release the need to control everything? Top of your head, inviting compassion instead of punishment. My body deserves kindness, not hatred. Now stop tapping. Place your hands on your heart. Feel that compassion growing. This is the shift that creates healing. Let's bring in positive energy right now. Now, in this final round, we are going to tap in a new relationship with your body. Understand? Okay. Let's start the third round. Eyebrow point. I release the resistance to this weight gain. Side of the eye. I am willing to see my body with compassion. Under the eye. My worth is not determined by my weight. Under the nose. I am beautiful, powerful, and worthy, exactly as I am. Chin. I trust my body's wisdom. Both the collarbone. I nourish myself with love, not punishment. Under the arm. I move my body with joy. I do my exercise with joy, not obligation. Top of it. I'm healing with my relationship. I'm healing my relationship with my body. I choose to love my body as it is right now. Eyebrow point. When I sleep well, my metabolism improves. Side of the eye. When I honor my hunger, my body trusts me. Under the eye, I am learning to listen to my body's signals. Under the nose, I choose nourishment over restriction. Chin, I choose movement over punishment. Both the collarbone, I choose self-love over self-hatred. Under the arm, my body is my home and I'll treat it with respect. Top of the head, when I reduce stress, my body can find balance. I am worthy of love at every size. I am peaceful in my body, mind, and soul. Place both hands on your heart, take a deep breath in, and exhale. As you exhale, send love to every cell of your body. This tapping helps your body receiving the love it's been craving for. Okay? You're breaking the cycle of punishment. You're opening the door to healing. Let me be very clear about something very important. This tapping session is not about giving up on health. No. It's about changing your approach to health. I hope you understand it clear, because here is what something actually doesn't work, something actually works for you. Punishing yourself with extreme diets or excessive exercise from a place of self-hatred or restriction and shame, these things never work for you. What actually would work for you are loving your body as it is right now, nourishing with whole foods, Moving it with joy and pleasure. Moving as in walking or doing any kind of exercise with joy and pleasure. And managing stress, which is the biggest factor. Getting quality sleep, balancing hormones naturally. When you shift from punishment to compassion, something magical happens for you. Your cortisol drops, your body relaxes, and your metabolism can finally begin to regulate. So, what you need to do for that? I want you to do this tapping daily for the next 21 days. Probably morning is the best. Immediately after waking up, do it. It will set your tone for the day, and notice your self-talk throughout the day. When you catch yourself being mean to your body, pause, tap, and release. Focus on stress reduction. This is the key to perimenopause weight management. Move your body with joy, not punishment. You can dance, walk in nature, do aerobics, gentle yoga, anything is fine. Move your body with pleasure, with joy, not as a punishment, okay? Support your hormones naturally with good quality sleep. Do some stress management activity like yoga, pranayama, meditation, nature walk, anything is fine. Eat wholesome foods, herbs like ashwagandha, all these will naturally support your hormonal balance. If this tapping session had helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly healing content specifically for perimenopause. Share this with another woman who is struggling with her changing body. Let's end this war with our bodies together. I'm Meghlata and I'm honored to support you on this journey. Remember, you're worthy of love at every size, at every stage. Be gentle with yourself. See you soon.